raw reality of affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to be maybe a little bit shocking, right? Because I want to show you my daily, day-to-day life of what actually is happening when you are running affiliate marketing business online, right? When you're doing this full-time like myself, right? Yeah, you're making a lot of money, you're having a lot of fun as well, but there are also struggles along the way, like with any other business, right? If someone is on YouTube is telling you, yeah, I'm making money every single day, no losses with my paid ads, with my Google ads, with my Facebook ads, they're basically lying to you, right? For me, as you know, I'm doing this for many years, and yes, of course, right? When I ran Facebook ads, when I ran Google ads, when I ran YouTube ads, of course it happens that your ad account gets shut down sometimes. Of course it happens that maybe one day you wake up in the morning and you're a little bit down, you feel a little bit sad because your campaign actually did not make any profit, right? It can happen, right? But it's well worth it. Why? Because at the end of the day, when I look at my life, I realize if I would work 9 to 5 in a job, yes, maybe I wouldn't take any risks because I work 8 to 10 hours per day in job, 9 to 5. But also I cannot make passive income online. I cannot make money online, right? I cannot spend time with my family. I cannot travel all around the world. As you can see, I always share with you, right? When I travel somewhere, for example, Australia, Japan, Bali, Africa, Europe, I'm always sharing this with you on Instagram, right? Why? Because I want to impress upon people, upon you watching this video, what is possible when you take affiliate marketing serious and when you have someone to actually care about you and help you succeed, build long-term relationships. Because if you want to do affiliate marketing seriously, right, and you're watching this video, you need to have some kind of serious friendship or relationship with people, right? This is called networking, and it's important if you want long-term business, right, and happiness in life, right? Not just like fast money today and no money tomorrow. It doesn't work that way. If you want a long-term, sustainable, stress-free life, then of course you need someone who help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, right, to get the results. Maybe at some other time, somewhere else you lost money, right? I did too as well, right? Or you bought some course and you didn't make any money at some other time before in the past, right? But now, when you're watching this video, you know that this is the same as going to some bad restaurant, right? You had some bad experience, but that doesn't mean you will not go to the next restaurant and try new pizza, I don't know, Thai food, whatever you prefer, or sushi, right? Some people get food poisoning at some restaurant, but that doesn't mean that every single restaurant is the bad or scam, right? So that's my approach to life. Yeah, so how it looked like, I wake up in the morning, I send my email, one email to my email list, and that's it for that day, for email. Then I go and check my email, my affiliate campaigns on Google pay-per-click, Facebook ads. I see how they're doing. If some campaign is not performing well, I kill it. I scale another one that is winning campaign, right? So that's how it works. So basically, I work 2, sometimes 4 hours per day, and the rest I just travel. I do other things. I spend time with my family, and that's how basically my life is, right? Of course, some days you feel like you don't want to do anything, and it's understandable. We're all human beings, right? But at the end of the day, it's well worth it, right? Where else you can have location freedom, time freedom, and money freedom, right? Without having to talk to people to do, I don't know, network marketing, Amway stuff or something like that, right? But you can basically sit behind your computer, your laptop, have someone to guide you through, looking as you look over their shoulder, coach, mentor, helping you to basically get the good results, right? Personally, I don't believe in courses. Why? Because courses are watered down version of what used to work. Probably is outdated, right? As you know, sometimes you can buy some $3,000 course, and then you find out it's outdated. It used to work 2 or 3 years ago, but now it doesn't work anymore, right? So yes, if I were you, I would definitely get someone to help me scale my business, to become profitable, to start making some serious income. I'm not promising or telling you millions. There are YouTubers telling you that. You can go there. I'm not telling you this will work. What you have to keep in mind is get to your first $300 per day in profit, $400 per day in profit, and so on. And that's how you can make, my friend, over $10,000 per month or more with affiliate marketing. One product, one offer, one mentor, someone who can help you also be your friend, build relationships over time, right? So that's what I'm about, right? That's my philosophy on life, right? Building relationships, building networks. Why? Because it's very, very important to do this if you want to succeed, right? Like myself, I have a problem with some affiliate campaign, with network. I can go to my friend or ask someone in, I don't know, oh, this Clickbank campaign is not working, or can you give me some private networks? Yeah, they can do it, right? Because you have connections. And that's very important, in connections in life, right? So as you watch this video, keep this in mind, keep that as your mindset, okay? Because really, it is doable, right? Soon it's going to be Christmas, soon it's going to be 2024. I don't know what you're waiting for. If you're watching this video, you have to put pedal to the metal. You have to take action. You have to pull the trigger on that gun and say, enough is enough. I want to take action. I want to do something with my life. I want to help my kids, my family, my spouse, my wife, my husband, whoever, your parents, right? Whoever you want to make happy and proud, right? Because this business, it's not about sales. I'm not selling, right? If you sell cars, yes, it's hard. You need to be salesman. But with affiliate marketing, you're not selling. You're not showing your face. You set a blog, website, landing page. You have ads. You have pre-sale page, right? And the VSL, the owner on Clickbank, does the selling and telling for you, right? So there is no excuse for you that you need to show your face. You have to have a great voice, put a lot of makeup. No, affiliate marketing is not about that, right? That's why I love affiliate marketing, because it gives me total and ultimate freedom, right? If you want ultimate freedom in life, that's basically what I will do, right? It enabled me to buy a house, to buy cars, to invest in different properties, to travel in luxury all around the world in 5-star resorts. And that's what I like. That's what I prefer to do personally. I don't know about you, what's important to you in life, why you want to do affiliate marketing. But if you want to succeed, you need to have someone who will help you, hand-holding you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way, to avoid all the headaches, all the problems along the way, right? That could happen and will happen if you don't have someone who will help you step-by-step, one-on-one, and hand-holding you along the way, right? I hope it makes sense, right? So as you're watching this video, one day you might find yourself, imagine this, see yourself now, 10 days from now, 1 month from now, 2 months from now, a year from now, for example, find yourself making $10,000, $20,000 per month. Not million per month, I'm talking about real profit, reliable income, right? $10,000 to $20,000 per month is totally doable. No big deal compared to $2 million per month, for example, right? So if you want this kind of income, let me know. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel over here somewhere, right? It's a red button, you can subscribe. Why? So you can have more helpful tips every day when I'm uploading new videos, right? Another thing is, if you are serious, what is the budget you need to have to start affiliate marketing? At least minimum $500 US to $5,000 US, right? Depend on what you want. Again, depend on what you want. You want to make fast money, faster, right? Because people think, right? Let me give you this idea. People think that fast money is bad money, and that the money that take hard work is good money. It is not true. It's all bullshit. It's all BS. Definitely, right? You should expect to make money fast, right? As soon as possible. That's my goal in life, right? This is what we do as affiliate marketers. We are not expecting to make money long term. No, we make money now and also long term on the back end, right? That's why we have ads, to make money on Clickbank or MaxWeb on the front end, from front end sales, and then on the back end, right? Now, if you want to know exactly how you can do this, below this video is going to be a link to my private email list, okay? So click on the link there and you will get free training from me, video training. You will also get my daily tips, what works, how to do affiliate marketing correctly. And if you want to work with me or you want to have kind of results, you can DM me on my Instagram below, right? My Facebook or my WhatsApp, all right? I'm not using any robots, right? Or AI tools that will talk with you. It's me talking personally, but you have to be serious, all right? I don't have time to waste, and I respect your time as well. So let me know if you're really, really serious, if you're really ready to take action. not just ask questions, ask for information and do nothing with it, but to take action and actually start having results, right? Because if you have the balls to do it, then great, right? If you have the courage to do it, awesome. Please let me know. All the links are below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.